Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Toyota car location data of 2 million customers exposed for 10 years. 10 years is a long time. So let's get into the article. Toyota Motors Corporation disclosed a data breach on its cloud environment that exposed car location information from 2.1 million customers for 10 years between November 6, 2013 and April 17, 2023. That should be a big fine. Let's see what's going on. According to the security notice published in the company's Japanese newsroom, the data breach resulted in a database misconfiguration that allowed anyone to access this content without a password. It was discovered that part of the data that Toyota Motors Corporation entrusted to Toyota Connected Corporation to manage had been public due to misconfiguration of the cloud, the notice read. Come on, man. Misconfiguration has been on OWASP Top 10 probably for a decade, too. So, after discovery of this matter, we have implemented measures to block access from the outside, but we're continuing to conduct an investigation, including all our cloud environments managed by TC. We apologize for causing great inconvenience and concern to our customers and related parties. Exposed car location and videos. The incident exposed the information of customers who use the company's T-Connect, G-Link, G-Link Lite, or G-Book service between January 2nd of 2012 and April 17, 2023. T-Connect is Toyota's in-car smart service for voice assistance, customer service support, car status and management, and on-road emergency help. The information exposed in the misconfigured database include in-vehicle's GPS navigation, terminal ID number, the chassis number, and the vehicle location information with time data. While there's no evidence that the data was misused, unauthorized users could have accessed historical data and possibly real-time locations of 2.1 million Toyota cars. It's important to note that the exposed details do not constitute personally identified information, so it wouldn't be possible to use this data to leak to track individuals unless the attacker knew the VIN number, which is the vehicle identification number, of their target cars. A car's VIN, also known as a chassis number, is easily accessible, so someone with enough motivation and physical access to the target car could theoretically exploit the decade-long data leak for location tracking. The second statement published on the Japanese Toyota Connect site also mentioned the possibility of video recordings taken outside the vehicle had been exposed in the incident. The exposure period of these recordings have been defined between November 14, 2016 and April 4th, 2023, which is nearly 7 years. So Toyota's just walking around just leaking data for a decade and 7 years, man. Again, the exposure of the videos would not severely impact the car owner's privacy, but depends on the conditions, times, and locations. Toyota has promised to send individual policy notice to the impacted customers and set up a dedicated call center to handle the queries and requests. In October 2022, Toyota informed the customers of another lengthy data breach resulting in exposing T-Connect customers' database access keys on a public GitHub repository. This enabled an unauthorized third party to access details from approximately 300,000 customers between December 2017 and September 15, 2022. Then external unauthorized access to the GitHub repository was restricted. So once again, if you have a Toyota, you might want to reach out and get better clarification. But car locations for data of 10 million customers exposed for nearly a decade. Come on, Toyota. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.